What's up, guys? How's everyone doing today? I thought I'd get on a live stream and kind of see what's happening and kind of watch the close with you guys. And yeah, let me click over to, sorry about that, didn't have the charts on. There we go. Should be on now. Yeah. What's happened, Paul Bear? Thumbs down or LTC haters? Thumbs down or just haters? Anyways, thumbs down are the people expecting it to come down. Those are the thumbs down. People that are calling for the 6,000, 7,000, whatever. So anyways, looking at the volume on the daily here, guys, it is diminishing big time. We are gonna see a huge move soon. I know a lot of people are talking about a fake out first. I do want to point this out too. This is something we've been watching, keeping an eye on. And that is, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, guys. The one thing we've been keeping an eye on is this falling descending triangle or falling descending wedge in the RSI, which we are outside of. And I have been saying if we close this week outside of this, next week is going to be a great week. I still believe that. Yeah, I still believe that. I know a lot of people are calling for it to go down first. The more people that are saying that, the less likely it's going to happen. I did say that this morning we could get this drop down to 99, right around 9,900, 9,917 range. And that's just a measured move of this symmetrical triangle. And if it was to break down, that's still possible. If it does, I think it'll be, get a hell of a rebound and go back up. But yeah, these are still my targets up here, guys. I still believe we're headed up there. Let's look at the RSI in the 4-hour real quick. Looking at this as a falling broadening wedge. We broke out of it here, came back down, got support. If we do get that dip down, that would be testing for support one more time, but I do believe we would, like I said, have a big shot up. I'm still thinking this is going up, guys. If you watch my video this morning, we're looking at this blue bull flag. We popped out of it here, and we've just been riding the top of it and getting support off it now. So, yeah. I guess the area to watch, if we drop down below this 10,271, then we are most likely headed down to the 9,900 range. There is a chance when Bakkt launches, we might get shorts, but that's still a week out. Yeah, I don't think that's going to be anything like last time, though. I honestly don't. What's up, Andre? What about the fundamental aspect that BTC has never seen a new all-time high before having? You guys act like BTC's been around for 100 years and there's been 30 halvings. I pay attention to the charts, not the fundamentals, not the news. I believe, show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. I've been saying that since day one when I started making the videos and putting them out there. Yeah, I just don't trust the news. I think by the time any of us hear the news, it's already in the charts, period. Any reason you don't use logarithmic charting to do TA? Easier to show new people how easy it is to hit your targets, I think. I don't like the logarithmic scale unless I'm doing super long term, like, this is in the log scale, but as in short term, I don't believe the log scale. I like the linear scale. What do you think of us heading into a bull trap, into a bear trap? I mean, it's possible, guys. If you're day trading, I'd really watch it in here. As you guys know, I don't day trade. I swing trade. Day trading in here, I believe you're going to get the shit wicked out of you, one way or another. But I think the end game here, guys. We're going to break this bull flag. And I think it's going to be a massive break. What's up, Web Age? Pretty funny when someone has to keep making a name and coming in here. I have that much space in his head that he just can't stop. And you just got to keep deleting them. Crazy, man. Make sure you smash likes, guys. All right, so who thinks that this week is gonna be the breakout upwards anyway to at least the $11,000 range? Hit 1 if you do, hit 2 if you think we're going down, just to see where everybody's at here. Oh, Predator's bearish. Damn. $10,900, then boom. Two more weeks, then up. I've heard a lot of people say that. I don't necessarily think that we will stay in this area for that long. I think we're getting ready to pop. One more drop below 10K. Possible. That's where I got this, the 9,900 range. That's the measured move off of this symmetrical triangle here. So it's definitely possible. And we'd have to break the $10,268 range first. Don't think 46,000 by the end of the year. Yeah, think what you want. Do your own due diligence. I just give you guys my opinion and my view, and I do believe that we can hit 46,000 by the end of the year. It's still possible. David Gelfin, did I miss the Litecoin? No, I didn't. Bambi says Discord is the best. Yeah, you guys, if anyone's new here, in the description below the video, there is a link to the Discord group. Awesome community, guys. Definitely check it out. We don't put up with, you know, a bunch of bullshit like a lot of the other ones. We keep it friendly. There's a lot of new people and a lot of experienced people in there. If you want to learn about it, definitely a great place to be in crypto. So look at Litecoin. Litecoin's playing with that. If you guys remember, I'm going to clear these lines and stuff out of here real quick. Get rid of all that. You guys remember I'd been watching this falling broadening wedge in the yellow. And that's the line we're flirting with, that resistance right now. I'll zoom in for you. Litecoin definitely looks like it wants to pop. We would need to close a candle above the 70.50 range, $70.50 range, to confirm a break of this resistance. But I was looking at it, we could be doing something like this and still get our drop to 61.50 or 64.51. But I don't know, it's looking like it's weakening this resistance line right here. Let's look at the 1 hour real quick to see what it looks like. The RSIs are trying to move back up. We might be in good shape here, guys. I believe if Litecoin breaks this trend line, that will set Bitcoin off. What's up with those signs? We had a winner. It was what was his name? Eugene Baldovino was the winner. He has not contacted me yet. I'll give him till you know, give him a few days. If he doesn't contact me, then I will put him back up. I do want to remind you guys, we are having a get-together in Cleveland, Ohio at the Thirsty Dog, October 10th from 5:30 to 7:30. Max Kaiser, Peter McCormick, Stacy Herbert, Crypto Zombie, and myself will be there. If anyone's in the Cleveland or Ohio area, definitely stop on by. It should be a good time. New winner, Henry Avalos. Maybe post a name in the description of the video. Are you talking about the winner? Crazy Greek Freak said, I know him. Send it to me. I'll make sure he gets it. I bet you will, man. Where we at? 20 minutes to close. How's the weekly look? Actually, not too shabby. Be nice to see a little run up here in the last few minutes. Phone is going off. I need to shut it off. That is annoying. Sorry about that, guys. Bambi said, where's your blue Adidas hat? It's on the dresser. Raid Hyatt said, yo, Savy. I need some advice, man. What are you talking about? Fritz Lang, need my green card first. Sounds like a good meet. Yeah, it should be definitely should be a good time. It's a good group of guys. Nice mixture. I'm cute. Savvy BTC dominance growing low. I'm sure it is till it breaks. Like I said too, guys, you know, it's not out of the question that we do have a decent drop down to, you know, the $9,000 range. Even though I think that's a lot less likely. But it is definitely possible. And like I've been saying forever, anywhere in this green area, in this bull flag, is not scary to me. With so many people, something I wanted to mention that is a possibility. With so many people looking at this as a descending triangle, which it is not, in my opinion, at all. If we did get that drop back down in here, people would be shorting the shit out of it. And I believe, you know, around that $9,000, $9,100 range, we would get, actually, let's look at, yeah. We could get a quick wick out of here, trap all the bears, and shoot it up from there. That's definitely a possibility. With so many people looking at that as a descending triangle instead of a bear flag or a bull flag, which I do believe it is. So that's definitely a possibility. Keep that in mind. Travis Rose said if we drop, it won't last 24 to 36 hours. Shorts will get it and longs have it. There are no buyers at this level. Master Yoda, that is exactly... If you guys don't understand that this is... I know a lot of people think this is, you know, bearish because of the wicks up here. It is not bearish. If you know anything about the wick off method, this is reaccumulation. That is definitely reaccumulation, in my opinion. It is not distribution. It is reaccumulation. Do I ever trade back into fiat? Yeah, I don't. No, I don't. I'm accumulating. I truly believe we are in the beginning of a massive bull run. I am accumulating. I do trade. I do use fiat to trade on leverage. But I just buy more fiat. I mean, I buy more Bitcoin. It's coiled very tight, Predator. It's gonna be an interesting week. I do believe this week is gonna be upwards, guys. That is my opinion, obviously. go into the 1 hour here and just see, kind of watch it. Actually, let's go down to the 15 minutes. I'm in cute said, can BTC drop to 9K again? It's possible. Raid high at 46K is stupid. Okie dokie, man. Post your chart somewhere. Let me check out your skills. See what you got. Water. I'm drinking water, man. Paul Bear, thanks for the tip, brother. Just thanks, man. So glad I found this channel and Discord group. I'm glad you did too, man. Took you a while to get in the Discord, but you made it. 10K was also stupid and that happened. Yeah, if you guys watched my channel, I don't know how many of you are here since the beginning, but all the shit that everybody's giving me now about saying it's going up, and it's the same people that were saying that this wasn't the bottom when I called the bottom, and each one of these legs up that they were saying was the last leg, and it was coming down, yeah, so all the people that wanted to go down here are the same people that wanted it to go down here and missed out, had to FOMO in after 7 grand. Now they want it to come back down so they can get in cheap because they fucked up down here. I mean, that's what happened. Those are the bears, the people that missed out. Wendell, the Discord, just go down. There's in the description. Click on the Discord. It'll have you, sign up, get a name if you've never been on Discord, and then it'll bring you right in the group. Master Yoda, it's because I have conviction, just like I had conviction when I called the bottom. And a lot of this is mental. A lot of this is how everybody's reacting and expecting and thinking it's going down. That's just a telltale that all them people are going to get wrecked. What will oil do to Bitcoin? I don't know, Bitcoin buddy. I've been hearing the stories about it today. I really haven't looked into it. Webnet Marketing, thanks, man. I appreciate it. Keep up the excellent work. Your opinion is very helpful. Conviction can kill you. Master Yoda, I tell people my thoughts, my opinion. If you want to tell me that my convictions are going to kill me or whatever, what do I say in every video? Do your own due diligence, your own research. I ain't telling anybody to do shit. I'm telling people what I'm seeing in the market. If you don't like it, man, quit watching my channel. He is a troll. A lot of trolls out there, man. How long we got? 11 minutes to close. Billy Legal. Yeah, it's not just him. It's a lot of idiots out there, man. I get sick of it. What's up, Altcoin Bonanza? You made it. Hey, Shannon. Had a pretty a very eventful weekend. I'll just say that. When can we see altcoin party? I don't know that there's gonna be a altcoin party like people think. I don't. I'm sure there'll be some altcoins that do well, but I don't think it's gonna be anything like it was in 2017, and that's my opinion. The inverted head and shoulders. Yeah, I had. Are you talking about the bigger one here? Go to the daily. Yeah, the one in the daily here we've been looking at. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. That's where I get that neckline of the 10,900 range. And the break of that gets me to the target of... Whoops, it's not on there. It's on my 4 hour. Sidlino, thanks, man. Appreciate the tip. But yeah, the break of that... Where in the hell is that? I thought I had it on my... Must have been on the daily. Yeah, I just don't have the measured move in there for some reason. But yeah, the measured move of the break of that would get us around the $12,500 range. If that ends up being confirmed as an inverted head and shoulders. Sandman, she's doing all right, man. It's gonna be a long road to recovery, but she's doing all right. If BTC dumps, it's buying opportunity of a lifetime. It's, if you guys truly believe in, that's another thing. I truly believe in Bitcoin. 100% believe in Bitcoin. I look at it in you know, different views than most people on what's going on with the world and stuff. I think Bitcoin is going to be extremely successful. It's right in the charts. I'm not... Trader mentality is try to get a bunch of fiat in this. I don't give a shit about fiat. I'm looking at the big picture. I want to be secure in the future and have Bitcoin. Balls deep. I just got here. Do you think Bitcoin will break out this week? I do. I think it's extremely possible. And if you guys remember too, I've been watching this as a possible inverted head and shoulders on the 1 hour RSI. Or I mean the daily RSI, I'm sorry. We broke out of the falling wedge, came back down, tested it for support. Thanks, Sam, man. Appreciate it, brother. Wendell said, Litecoin is a Bitcoin clone. It should succeed with Bitcoin. It's also a great test net for Bitcoin. I seriously hope it breaks out this week, in a week, and change Wednesday. I go to holidays. What's up, Mike? How many Bitcoins will make us secure, in your opinion? That's exactly what it'd be with anybody. There's an opinion. You got to remember, this is still a speculative market. You know, my belief is it's going to be extremely successful. Who knows where it's going to be, but my idea would be get as many as you can comfortably without spending money you can't afford to lose. D17 Tom said Bitcoin equals a savings account, Litecoin equals checking account. That's exactly, you know, the way I think. Like, you know, like Charlie says, Litecoin's the silver to Bitcoin's gold. I truly believe that. I know people think Bitcoin's going to be, you know, the spending money with Lightning and all that. I honestly don't think that's going to work out. I think Bitcoin is going to be a store of value. Like, here's an example of the trader mentality, right? There's traders that were trading way... Let me go into... Actually, let me go into here. Damn it. Get this off there. All right, let's take a look at this real quick. Let's go into here. Trader mentality all the way back here when Bitcoin was pennies. It started out at what, 0.003 or 0.0003 cents, right? If somebody would have spent $100 back there when it was, you know, say a penny even, I mean, look how much money they would have now. But a lot of them people, the traders in here, they have nowhere near the money they would have had if they would have just held. And I am 100% positive of that. And any one of them that tells you different is full of shit. They may have fiat, but they don't have near the Bitcoin they could have had. Wendell said, I bought my first little bit of Bitcoin at 2,900. Yeah, I mean, that's what I mean. That's how I look at it, guys. Bitcoin is the future, man. Is 100% the future. And like I said, I do believe this is the beginning of a massive, massive, massive bull run. And anywhere in this green area, I will still be accumulating. Buy now, buy tomorrow, buy often. That is correct, in my opinion, sir. Little Conus said, I'm scared because you don't have your blue Adidas hat on. Who are you? Thanks, Bar and Casino. Anyways, where are we at here? 3 minutes to the daily and weekly close. Travis Rose says bull run. Check. It's not how much dollars of Bitcoin you have, it's how many Bitcoin you have. Exactly. Yeah, I don't know. Some people just don't get it. That trader mentality, half of them don't even really, I don't think, understand what the hell Bitcoin is or what it can be or where it's going. You know, the day trader mentality. That's why I swing trade and I try to just keep accumulating Bitcoin. Stormy Coin Life, Savvy, would you do a big crazy thing if you were wrong? Like, no, I wouldn't, but I would be the first one to admit I was wrong. And like I said, I'll be able to, if I'm wrong, I'll let you know when I believe it's not possible anymore. And then I'll start, you know, looking at a different route. But as of right now, I have zero reason to change my mind. Henry Avalos, I agree. Savvy lost my coins trying to day trade. Yeah, it's, I mean, unless you don't have a job or anything else to do and you're okay with sitting in front of a computer screen all day, and I don't know. I guess if that's what you want to do, day trade, that just seems like an addiction to me more than anything. Have faith, 240K soon. I still believe $1 million is possible by 2021. That's a t-shirt, Zero FUD. She made the one, I don't know if you've seen it, it says black on top with it's black is written in chain with a chain, and then it says FUD on the bottom. I've wore that a couple times. Little Conus said, if you truly believe in Bitcoin, does that mean you will not trade your Bitcoin into fiat? No, I don't trade my Bitcoin into fiat. I'm not saying I won't sell a little bit when I think we're getting to the top of a bull run, but I'll never sell it all. You know, I might ladder out a little bit, but I'll never sell it all. Crazy Greek Freak said $1 million BTC. I'm moving to Portugal. No taxes. What's up, Harry? How you been, man? $1 million BTC is not life-changing. It's life-changing if you have enough of them. Very life-changing. Every time you trade your Bitcoin into fiat, you create a taxable event. Stop creating a taxable event. Every time you trade your Bitcoin into any other asset, it's a taxable event in the United States. A lot of people don't get that, especially when they're trying to day trade. When they're people that are new to it. What's your take on Dogecoin? I don't really follow it. I see people have been just riding it and, you know, making a lot of money just bouncing in one area forever now. Let's see. How did the weekly look? Obviously the same as earlier. It didn't really move. Will this be the week of the break, guys? In my opinion, hell yes, it will be. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash the likes. Also, just a reminder, again, there is a meetup in Cleveland, Ohio at the Thirsty Dog. October 10th, 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. It's going to be Max Kaiser, Peter McCormick, Stacy Herbert, Crypto Zombie, and myself. Definitely stop out if you can. There's going to be a little after party afterwards, too. Easy on that vodka. I don't drink, man. Stephen Loveday said tired of sideways action. That's how they want you to get. You get all tired and bored of it, and then a big ass move happens and you miss out. James Bernard. What news by crypto viewing? Trevor Wallet reading balances and Wallet Zero have an issue. I don't understand. Brendan Basham. Savvy, do we have an idea how much money Bakkt has been taking in deposits? VanEx wannabe ETF fell flat. No, I don't know what's going in there. Zombie, that maximalist in the making. Why do you say that? Mad and cracked, addicted to your videos. Appreciate the support, man. I appreciate all you guys' support. Everybody that's joined the Discord and stuff. It's like I said, if you haven't joined already, definitely check it out. It's a great community. There's people in there all hours, all the time. Bob Lucas has said recently also that this is a bull flag and not a descending triangle. Yeah, I'd been saying that for months, and I've tried showing why, and people just don't want to listen. But the first trend line, right here, these two wicks, you clone this line and bring it up here, it matches up perfect. It is a bull flag right off of these two lines. A bull flag only needs 2 touches on the bottom to confirm, 3 touches on the top. And how I believe it would work out, I guess if you went by Elliott Wave, you know, even Wickoff would be the same, but you would go A, B, C, D, E, and then breakout. Bambi 1016. Thanks for the tip. You missed Mr. James, M. James 8.2K, man. He was pissing a lot of people off. Yeah, I mean, if people disrespect people and piss people off, and especially if you spread FUD in the Discord, we'll boot you. Period. Who does all your graphics? They look great. The channel, the shirts, cool stuff. My wife does all the shirts, and the signs and all the print stuff. And I play around with the graphics on the channel. Also, if you divide the bull flag in half in two separate channels, 85 comes exactly to the bottom of the upper channel. Fritz Lang, you take over when I'm sleeping. We cover all hours. James Bernard, crypto viewing logged on and called Trezor. Crypto coin balances are there, but when you pull up your total balance of all accounts, it reads 0. Trezor stated they're working on the problem. Yeah, I don't use Trezor. I use Ledger. And if anybody doesn't have a wallet, I suggest you store your cryptos, your keys offline. If you don't have your keys and you got them on exchange, it's not your crypto. There is a link to Ledger Direct in the description below the video. Definitely should get your cryptos off the exchanges. I truly believe that. It's the wicks at the top that concern people on daily, weekly, and monthly. I get that, but it doesn't concern me at all. I mean, it's a great, obvious formation in my eyes. For Gamma and Shannon, thanks. Much appreciated. Buy your hardware wallet direct from the source, people. Yeah, don't buy it off of Amazon, anything like that, man. You will get screwed. Predator said if you don't like the wick, use smaller candles. If you don't like the wick, do like everybody else does. Just cut them off. You can make a line how you want, like Tone and them guys. They'll just, this looks good, I'll put it right here. Cut through bodies, wicks, whatever to make it fit my crap. I use wicks. I am pretty strict on that. It's probably a red coin. Got my keys engraved in my titanium knuckles. Nice. Do you sell the t-shirts? Yes, we do. If you shoot me an email, my email's in the description. We sell with the shirts, the signs. She sells a bunch of stuff. Balls Deep said I bought my ledger off of Amazon and it was fine. If it's a fake ledger, it will notify you when you set it up. It's not that it's fake. It's that people hack into them and have the keys already before you get them. That's the whole deal with them. So you put your crypto on there and somebody else already has that key and they can just get in there and take your Bitcoin or whatever else you're putting on there. T-Bone Dip said hella bullish on this. Me too, especially with everybody hella bearish on this. Everybody is thinking it has to go down. And they say that everybody thinks it has to go up. There's way less people thinking this is going up, guys. There's so many bears out there pissed off because they didn't buy right. Savvy, what is the easiest way to cash out? It depends on what you're cashing out and what exchange you use, what country you're from, what fiat you're going into. Somebody said zoom in. I'll zoom into the hourly. Is that cool? Oh shit, it looks like Litecoin's doing good too. Let me check that out. Zoom in here a little bit. Litecoin breaking out of that again. If we can close outside of this trend line that we're breaking out of now, it's gonna be a beautiful thing. Litecoin's looking good. Eth's popping too. Might be a good night, guys and gals. See what happens here. Predator said BTC pump. Is it too late to change to a 1? Just say you hit the 2 by mistake, man. It's actually, let's see. If this doesn't continue up past here, that's actually creating bearish divergence in the RSI. Could be all right. If it keeps popping up, all right. If we can close this candle out here, I think Litecoin is in a very good spot. Good night, Fritz. Have a good one. Zombie said in his video today that September 23rd Bakkt opening of BTC futures is about the time the bull flag looks like it'll break. No, I think it's going to probably break. Well, I mean, it could wait that long, but we'll see. I think it's going to break before then, though. Shannon, thanks, Savy. Appreciate the stream. Shout out to Bambi Dan. Thanks, Shannon. I appreciate it. Good looking out with the tip. How are you trading in the US? I trade on KRAKEN mostly. That's why I do my majority of trading is KRAKEN. And I haven't been doing a whole lot of trades. I'm in a long now, but I haven't been doing a whole lot of trades in the last couple weeks. You chart using moving averages. I use exponential moving averages. That's what you see on here. I use a 8, a 13, a 21, 55, and a 200. And they're actually looking pretty damn bullish right now. See if we can continue this up. How's the RSI look? RSI looks good. Litecoin looks good. It looks like we're headed to at least the 73.22 target, which would also line up with the 200 EMA on the 4 hour. Go to the 4 hour here. What happens if Nano gets hacked? Where does that leave us? We never really have a Bitcoin, do we? I don't get that. There's also, if anybody's playing around with leverage trading, and I do not suggest high leverage trading, I do have exchange links down there, and they all have a bonus if you sign up and make a deposit. Sandman said I have about 71.50 in worthless fiat. That would be what would be my best investment. Whatever you feel would be the best investment. You got to believe in what you're doing, man. Don't take advice from anybody off YouTube or Twitter. None of that, man. Do your own due diligence, bro. Steve Hubbs, we had 3 months to buy Bitcoin and Litecoin in a range from 9,000 to 11,000, 60 to 90. Great time to dollar cost average buy and hold. Yes, sir. I try to explain that to people, but people want to trade and make fiat. It's not about fiat to me. I'd rather lose fiat than lose coins. That's another t-shirt. You got to believe in what you're trading. Right, man. What do you think of Bollinger Bands tightening on the 4-hour? I don't use Bollinger Bands. I use the EMAs, the ones I just mentioned, and that's it. And they do extremely well for me in all time frames. You ever have a problem withdrawing funds to your bank account on KRAKEN to your bank account using VPN? I don't take any money from KRAKEN and put in my bank account. When I win off trades, I buy Bitcoin, I don't care what the price is, with my profits, and I put my Bitcoin in my wallet. And then I keep a certain trading amount in my trading account, and I go to the next trade and just continue to do that. Altcoin Bonanza, when we hit 46K, are you going to do a 24-hour live party chat? No, that's going to be my last video. It's look at it pump. It's looking pretty good. That's going to be my last video. It's just going to be me starting a video, and I'm going to say short little something, and then I'm going to drop the mic, turn it off, and shut my YouTube channel down. I'm going to finish what I started, and then I'm done. I will, man. This is too much crap when I work full time and shit. Like I said, I'll finish what I started. You can sell your channel. Still around for Discord? Yeah, I'll pop in Discord for sure. I'll probably give the Discord to somebody though. Nice little pump. Remember, we're still inside this symmetrical triangle here, guys. Litecoin's looking mighty fine. Like I said, looking at that, go to that 73.22 target. At least we'll probably get a little resistance there. Maybe come back down, retest the $71, $72 range, possibly continue up from there. Looking pretty strong. Gusto Faria, why did you create a YouTube channel if you're thinking of closing it in the future? I wasn't thinking of closing it. It's a lot of stress, man. People don't understand what goes behind this. And I mean, it's not like you make a freaking $1 million off of YouTube. It takes a lot of time. A lot of time. Wendell said, dang, I thought I was long on Litecoin. Did you forget to put your long in or something, man? I told people in Discord, if I got 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year, then I would consider sticking around. But that's the only way. That's the only way it would make it halfway worthwhile. Wendell said, I'm not buying too much more Litecoin, working on a full Bitcoin. My Ethlon just hit for take profit. Should I reopen it? I don't follow ETH, man. And be careful. But that does look like the inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour Litecoins playing out nicely. Watch for resistance on the RSI right here. If it breaks through that, that'll be beautiful. But, you know, we might have another step down and come back up. Keep an eye on it. Let's look at that daily RSI that I was talking about, looking like a inverse head and shoulders. And it looks like it. It'd be nice if this continues up and that breaks. That's going to be a nice move for Bitcoin. Really nice. Would you settle for 46K subscribers? Head and shoulders. Pff, real name is Cockaballs. We're still vulnerable no matter what exchange we put a Bitcoin on. We really never have it in our possession. It's either on exchange or Nano's or in Nano's possession. Put it on Bakkt. Does not get better than where their warehouse and exchange. Everybody tell 4 friends. Bam, 50K. Make sure you smash the likes, guys. Bambi, thanks for the tip. Again, Savvy, if I send you another blue Adidas cap, will you wear it in your live stream? That's funny. So, Savvy, your thoughts on trading Bitcoin on RH, no fees. What's RH? What is your prediction for BTC Cash for this month? I don't follow Bitcoin Cash. Do not follow Bcash. Edward Selenetro, you give great info. Thanks, brother. You're welcome, man. Wendell says, share your videos on Twitter. Yeah, I appreciate everybody that shares, likes, comments, subscribes. You guys rock, man. That's, you know, that's why I do it, and that's why I said I'm gonna finish what I started. Robinhood is just fiat trading. Never own the coin. Yeah, you never actually own the coins on Robinhood. Savvy, I was being serious. Sure, email me. Seems like good intellectual property. With 10K nodes, yes. A pattern is a pattern, Dakota. That's true. Let's take a quick look at that real quick. Haven't looked at it. Whoops. Do believe that's a bull flag, and we could still do that by the end of the year. I do believe that 100%. Pattern is a pattern, guys. Until it's unconfirmed. Streaming error? What happened? Is it working now? Kick it a bit. Kick it with us a bit. What is the meaning of life? All right, guys, I am gonna head off here. I gotta get up early, make a video, and go to work. So everybody have a great night. I appreciate you stopping in. Don't forget to smash the likes. Share the videos. Get them out there. The quicker you can watch them and share them in the morning, the more that helps the YouTube algorithm out. So y'all have a good night. Thanks for watching. I may pop in the Discord and say hi later, and kind of bullshit for a little while, but I am out of here. Thanks for stopping in, guys.